choose a character you want to animate. You can never be too paranoid, so import it into Virus Twiddle, because you never know, you might get a rat as a surprise. And then after that, same old, it's going to be your normal floor, building, and then whatnot. I just poured a building with concrete texture, very basic, and then the floor, this weird floor, just because it popped up to me, kind of looked cool. And then some volume, always gotta have volume because it's kind of cool to add volume. And then obviously Supra, because that's the channel's name. And then I added those small flares, just kind of add the kawaii-ness to it. And then headlights, just blinking over and over, very simple animation. Just 0 on 100, I think it's 0 and 50, just back and forth. Or yeah, then okay, just look at the numbers. There's a lot of videos on how to use Mixamo. I'm not going to teach you how to do it. You basically just rig up with the character real quick, and then you choose the goofy dance you want to choose. This is actually for a different video I'm making, but you just choose the one you want. So, make your after finding a bunch of TikTok dances, just import the camera that you'd always do. Basic camera. Ignore that. And since I already got a camera here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So choose the camera. You can choose to position anywhere you'd like. I chose this because it looks cool. And then what you want to do is select your camera, and then your armature, I don't know what those are really called, bones. And then you're going to click tab and then pose, and then you're going to click the bone. Make sure you're holding shift, and then you're going to do Control P and then click on bone, and it's going to follow that bone. So you should get this. And after that, just duplicate the same idea. Obviously, could have done this a better way by not, by just having the same animation on the same character, but I did this a lazy way. Why not? We're artists, we can be lazy. So all I did is I just made one disappear, one pop up, one disappear, one pop up. That sounds kind of depressing, but you get the idea. So yeah, that's pretty much it.